Hello guys, here we have an Xbox One S. Okay, the issue with this machine, it turns on and then quickly shuts down. So I believe the problem here is here in a GPU. This can be caused by a faulty GPU, or the power supply or the GPU power supply can cause this issue. Even the chip controlling those MOSFETs, when they are supplying the GPU, this can be faulty. And anyway, under my physical inspection, I checked this board just now, and I noticed some corrosion there on the regulator. Some pins are corroded. Anyway, let's check together. Let's go ahead. Right, there we are. There is the chip right there. So what I do normally in this case, you have to apply some flux. It's easy. Let's apply some flux. Right, and then that needs to have soldering wire. Where's my soldering wire? It was right here. Okay, so guys, here I'm just using common sense. We can all see that chip doesn't look good. Anyway, I'm running out of soldering iron. Of soldering wire. I have to buy this thing. Okay, so what you do is you take your soldering iron and then you try to fix or to repair chip there.
I saw one will kill. down and put them IC. Yeah, use the expensive one. Even if I must pay for it, it's fine. But it's gonna make your job easy. About 10.
Okay, guys, this is it. Okay, guys, this is it. Hope you can see Xbox One. But anyway, I'm not happy because there's no thermal paste there, of which I believe it's possible that it can turn off due to thermometer or something. Yes. Whatever the case, but yeah. Thank you so much, and keep watching my videos and like, and yeah.